Hi, this is Angie with Wonder Woman Adventures. I just wanted to show you my little Wonder Woman as she sits in the front of our dash. And today we're going to discuss these vintage curtains. This is a '99 Coachmen Starflyte, but I'm assuming other vintage Coachmans or RVs have these same kind of designs. If you look, you'll see that it has two parts, a plastic wheel and a hook. These are called wheeled curtain carrier with hook. That's the actual product if you were going to purchase them. And mainly because I've been doing these wrong, I've had to replace them multiple times. If you were going to purchase these from JR Products, the part number is 81155, and I'll put that in the description at the bottom of the video. What I've been trying to do is pry apart the white pieces and then push them back together with needle nose pliers over the rung. And of course, if you know anything about this, it's not going to work out. And it hasn't for the most part, mainly because the white wheels want to fly off. Even if you can get a needle nose plier up there, they don't stay together. But this right here changed everything. When I realized the little end adapter would just unscrew, that I could unscrew this and that the wheeled hooks would just go on this area, I knew that we had a game changer. The reason why this was important too is I've just bought a new shower curtain, and the old vintage curtain had 10 grommets and the new shower curtain has 12. So I was going to have to add somehow 2 hooks. As you can see here, you just screw it back on to the rung and everything is good. Now I'm going to show you the shower curtain and how we put it there. Okay, we're at the shower curtain now, and on the rung you can see the old vintage curtains along with the older hook. The screw that holds them in is on both sides of the rungs, and all you have to do is take the white ring part and slide it onto that rung, just like that. So easy. So now I've added 2 hooks with my wheels, and now I slide the last part on and just screw that up there a little into that metal ring, and we are done. Perfect, so easy. Now with a little YouTube magic, we have our shower curtain up, and I have selected a new print, and this may seem a little odd, but I put the print facing the inside of the shower. And the main reason is because the back side is just white, and I won't get to see the print unless I put it in the interior of the shower. There is a door that's solid, so you don't see this curtain unless you're actually in the shower. So yeah, it's a little odd, but I like it, and I wanted to be able to see how cute it was. I love the camping decor. Sometimes I wish there was a more representative of all the different motorhomes that are out there with the Class Bs, the Class Cs. You know, we want to buy stuff that represent our motorhome as well, but in general, I love the camping decor, and here's the curtain. It looks great. And I hope that that helps someone with how easy it is to replace those hooks. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you'd like me to look at or take a look at. I have a '99 Coachmen Starflyte. She's a little bit of a rare bird, and so sometimes it helps to know what you would like to know so that I can find out for you as well. Happy travels. Thanks for watching Adventures of Wonder Woman.